Hey guys, it's Russell. Tonight I wanted to do an unboxing and review of this item right here, the JOBY GripTight ONE Micro Stand. And what it essentially is a micro tripod and a phone stand so that any of you on-the-go vloggers and photographers can put your phone onto it and use it as a tripod. And the cool thing is the mini tripod is actually detachable with a standard 1/4 inch thread, so you can put your camera, your GoPro, anything with a standard tripod mount. So anyways, I had one of these and I actually broke it, and the company was nice enough to send me a replacement because it was under warranty, so I figured I would do an unboxing of it. Now there's been a lot of talk about EDC, everyday carry, things you carry with you all the time, and this is something that I actually carry with me every day. Being a vlogger, you don't know when you're going to be out on the go and want to take a quick video, and this helps out a lot. I don't know how many videos that I've recorded using this thing, and also it makes a good stand for watching videos if you're sitting at a desk or at a table and you don't want to hold your phone up. So let's get into it. On the back, there's going to be a sizing chart for your phone, and it fits most of your standard smartphones. It fits the iPhone Plus models pretty well. I have the iPhone 8, and that fits perfectly, especially in a case. So there's no problem there. But what you're going to do is cut it open, and it comes in your standard like blister pack, and it's fair to mention that the tripod itself comes separate from the phone stand, so you could use it without it. And what you're going to do is you're just going to take the legs and twist it, and it makes a little mini tripod. And then you can take the phone stand, which pops open like that, and you're just going to thread it onto the 1/4 inch screw. And there you go. There's a ball head joint at the top of the tripod so you can move it around, and it essentially looks like that. Now I'm actually using my phone to record this video because my GoPro is still in the mail, but I have my iPod Touch, which is roughly the same size. And you're just there, it's spring loaded, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the top of your phone, nestle it in like that, and just push up, and it sits pretty well. So you're just going to set it on your table, on whatever you're going to be mounting it on, and you can turn it on. The back camera is unobstructed, so effectively it makes it a really nice on-the-go tripod. And the cool thing, one feature I really like, is when you're done, you just lay the phone cradle flat and you twist the legs back, and it actually lays flat. So it fits really nicely in your front pocket or a small pocket of your backpack, so it will already be waiting for you when you're ready to use it. And that, in my book, makes a really good product. So if you guys have any suggestions for products and unboxings you want me to do, leave them in the section down below, comment section. And I hope you guys really check this product out. I really believe in it, and especially for all you cell phone photographers out there, this is up your alley. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.